Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this text effect on CapCut PC. So you want your text to be super thin. I'm just going to use, I'll try to find like a thin font, but I don't know if I have one right now. I guess this one could work. This one's pretty thin. Then you're just going to scroll down and select from these like glowing effects here. You can kind of select this one or this one. So this one's like the free one. You can adjust the intensity as well as the range. And then you can also change the color of your choice, and that is pretty much it. Make sure your font is a little bit thinner than what I have now. Needs to be like super thin, which I don't have one, but yeah, that's pretty much it. Really super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!